Okay, this is a quick introduction to your light system. So on the left side, you have a large button, which is your dimmer switch that lets you adjust the light level from 100% down to 0. And then on the right side, you have 4 different settings. The first one is all. It looks like A with 2 eyes, but those are L's. That turns every light that you have in on, so that they're showing the up light and the down lights and the entire bar all the way along. Then the next one below that is an AV setting. What that does, go ahead and press that one. That one turns off the front bank of lights so that it's easier for you to use your projector to the screen, but the back lights still stay on.
50%.
Yep, 50%. Then you have the F setting, which then turns the front lights on, and then that just toggles the front lights?
Yes.
Okay, that toggles the front lights, so it's just like AV then. And then the back is toggles the back lights. So basically those turn off half the bank, whether it's the front or the rear. Anything else?
Now if you just want to turn it off, just click the main button. Basically the main button acts as on and off. So.
Yep. And then you notice all the blue lights go off, as well as all the lights in your room. Hopefully that helps.